What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show all of you guys exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year only from deving meme coins on chain, okay? I will be breaking down my entire strategy from A to Z. It's going to be a free course all for you guys. I am going to show you exactly where I launch my meme coins, how I launch my meme coins, and how to find viral memes to turn into coins, all in this video without gatekeeping anything like all these other YouTubers. And after that I will be doing a live example to show you how it's done. So without further ado, let's get straight to this. And as you guys can see in my Phantom wallet, I made all of this bread purely from deving, okay? So I know what I'm talking about, and that's exactly why I am making this video, to show you guys exactly how it's done. Now in every single crypto cycle there's always new opportunities popping up in every single direction, and every cycle the majority of people miss it because they focus on the wrong side of the market. Right now in 2026, I would say that the biggest opportunity in meme coins is deving, because trading them does not work anymore. Why? Because all these coins just end up going to zero after being launched or after a couple fucking minutes. They just pump and then dump, and they just go to zero in 80% of the cases. That's exactly why you have to start deving, because by deving your own coins you have nothing to lose, because you were the one creating the coins and then cashing out when the hype is high. As devs, we just launch coins using a viral narrative. It costs nothing, by the way, to launch a coin. You guys will see in this video, and then we wait for people to buy in, and then when a bunch of people start buying and selling the coin and the market cap is high, then we can start selling or clipping profits from our end until the chart goes to zero, and then we can just do that over and over again. It's a fully repeatable method that you can do over and over again for how long you want. This video will break down exactly how that works, from the logic behind it to a live demonstration of the full process in this video, so make sure to keep watching if you are tired of losing. And by the way bro, this entire video is recorded purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to educate you guys on the deving subject. That's it. Cap! Now the most common starting point for new devs is obviously Pump.Fun. It's the dominant name in the meme coin launchpad space, so most people assume that, you know, if you launch a meme coin here, well, people will buy your coin, but that's completely wrong. As you guys can see here, Pump.Fun is really competitive. Coins are coming out every single second, and all these coins are all different, so the odds that your coin gets buyers is really low. You might get 1 or 2 buyers, but even so bro, you don't make that much money, because Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and they control your creator fees, so you cannot just dump and cash out and rinse and repeat using Pump.Fun. And that's a major issue bro, because the whole point of launching coins is to get views and it's to get buyers to make profits, and that's where my strategy comes in. I launch on Radium instead, because here is where most people are more trustworthy and more willing to buy your coin. There's less competition and more eyeballs, and this is where volume is concentrated, where active participants are scanning for new entries, and where coins get a bunch of attention. Now getting here right on Radium through Pump.Fun will require to complete a bonding curve to reach a $33,000 market cap. That is impossible, which means you have to be using another launchpad, also known as Create Meme.io. It's the best launchpad if you want to launch meme coins on Radium, and this is exactly what we will be using to make our profits, okay? Most people are gatekeeping this launchpad, but now it's time to ungatekeep this tool. Now look, you have 2 different ways, okay, to launch a meme coin, and it's up to you to choose which one you want to start with and try out. Now you could either create a whole new original coin starting with a narrative, and then you could turn it into a coin by, you know, creating a name, symbol, and image. Is as simple as that. You can find any narratives. It could be a, you know, a Reddit post, a Google News, you know, it could be anything, okay? Even a rapper that went to jail, it could be some type of political news. But I personally like the second method, also known as the copy trending coins strategy right here. All also known as the vamping strategy, okay? It's all the same thing. Basically, we are copying coins that are already going viral, that already have a good narrative, a good community, and a bunch of volume. We're copying it back to Radium, where a bunch of people could buy our coin, and that's exactly the strategy. It's simple, and honestly, for anyone who is new to deving, I would highly recommend this because it's the lower risk starting point, and you can just try out a bunch of narratives. And by the way, bro, all these coins have a good narrative already. But anyways, right now I'm fiending to launch a coin and make some money. Okay, so look, connect your phantom wallet, click on refresh, and then look for a coin to copy. These do not have PFPs for some reason. I don't know what is happening here, but yeah, don't launch them. I'm gonna copy the Giggles coin. Click on copy to Radium, right? Your phantom wallet should pop up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand right here, and then confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Okay, you just gotta wait for it to be minted. Boom. And if I go in scan, you guys can see that it's live 11 seconds ago. It's minted. Okay, everything is working. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now next right here is the liquidity pool, which is what makes your coin actually tradable on Radium. Okay, now look, set your token allocation to 90%. This is what I recommend for all meme coins. Okay, I usually do this for all coins, and once you have a big report, you can start to play around with this option. Okay, right under for the amount of SOL to pair, here is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some supply in your coin as a dev. Okay, and since you will have supply before everyone else, that's exactly how you are going to profit. This is not a fee, it is not a cost. You will get the capital back once you exit at the end. So I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 SOL, and then click on create pool. Once again, you are not losing this. And then in your block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the coin is now live. Okay, and your P&L is going to show up right there. And at whatever point you want to check your profits, you can click on the refresh button or on the whole tab. And as you guys can see, now we're up 160 bucks. This is a great sign, which means people are buying our coin and they love the narrative since we copied a coin. That's the power of vamping coins. Now look, go on your trading platform to see the chart. Okay, it should be, whoopsies, it should be live in a couple seconds. And as you guys can see, the coin is live. Okay, people are buying and selling. This is a great sign. Remind you, we're already up like 100 to 200 bucks. So just wait. Okay, do not be impatient and cash out right now. Just wait and give your coin a chance for it to pump. And remember, you did not spend a dime to create this coin, so it's not a big deal if you only make 20 bucks or you just break even. Okay, just let the coin go up and up and up, and then yeah, after that you can cash out. Do not cash out right now. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up and pump, and when I come back after the quick time lapse, I'm going to show all of you guys exactly step by step how to cash out your supply when you are ready to cash out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see on screen, we are at a $7,000 market cap, and I think right now is the perfect time to cash out. Okay, so yeah, when you are ready, come back to create meme.io, and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, bro, $2,13,000 is what I am going to receive if I cash out on this coin right now, which I will do. So look, click on the minus button, and by the way, bro, 2.1k is fucking insane. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to finish, bro. I showed you exactly step by step on how to dev a coin from scratch, and now it's up to you to do your part. And look, bro, the money is in my Phantom White. I am not a fucking, douchebag. It's actually here, and then you can do that over and over again. It's all for educational purposes only, but create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, or just go on Google and write create meme.io, bro. It's that simple. And if you want to win $500 like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway.